You've probably heard the phrase compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. But here's the thing. Most people still end up broke even after hearing it 1,000 times. It's not because they don't understand compounding. It's because they've never truly felt its power in real life. Society teaches us to chase quick results, fast money, instant gratification, the next big win. We scroll, we swipe, we want things now. But the truth is, the real power of compounding only shows up years later, long after the excitement fades. You work hard every day, yet your savings barely grow. You think compounding is just about interest rates, but it's actually a psychological game you've been losing quietly. We've been misled by a system that celebrates speed over patience. Every year you delay mastering compounding, you lose not just money, but time, the one resource you can never buy back. The danger isn't losing your cash, it's losing your future freedom. The earlier you start, the lighter the journey becomes. Hey everyone, it's Ethan from Ethan's Money Library, where we're building wealth one book at a time. If you love learning real-world money lessons from the world's best finance books, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today, we'll unpack the psychology of compounding most people miss, why it's not just about interest rates, but how your mindset determines whether you win or lose with money. So stay till the end. You'll see why compounding is more emotional than logical. Most people think compounding is all about math, numbers, charts, and percentages. But the truth, it's about behavior. It's about whether you can stay patient when nothing seems to be happening. The biggest gains don't go to the smartest person, they go to the one who simply stays in the game. When you stop asking, how much can I make now? And start asking, how long can I let this grow? Everything changes. You begin to see time as your ally, not your enemy. Compounding rewards those who respect time, not those who rush it. Let's put it in perspective. $1 at 10% for a year is only $1.10. But keep that dollar growing for 40 years, and it turns into 45. The math is simple. It's the mindset that's hard. Imagine your future self, calm, confident, and free. Not because you chased trends, but because you stayed consistent. Most people break compounding by panic selling or chasing faster wins. But you mastered emotional control, and that's your real superpower. Time is your greatest financial ally, but only if you start early and stay consistent. Most people underestimate how powerful time really is in growing wealth. The truth is, the earlier you start, the less you have to risk later. Let's make it real. If you start investing just $200 a month at age 25, you could have over $500,000 by 60. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'll end up with only half that. That's the power of time quietly working in your favor. Imagine waking up one day knowing your money is quietly working for you, even while you're sleeping. That's what compounding feels like. Effortless growth from patience. It's like your future self is thanking you every night you choose to stay invested. Most Americans delay investing because they think they need more money first. But the real cost isn't in starting, it's in waiting. Every year you wait, you're giving away your most valuable resource, time. Consistency is the real magic behind wealth. It's not about how much you invest once. It's about showing up every single day, even when it's boring. Small habits, done over and over, turn into unstoppable momentum. Let's say you invest just $10 a day, that's about $300 a month. Stay consistent for 20 years, and you could have over $100,000. The math of consistency quietly beats the drama of luck. Imagine setting your investments on autopilot, no stress, no constant decisions. Your money quietly works for you in the background, like a loyal employee that never sleeps. That's the real financial freedom. But here's where most people fail. They chase shortcuts. Americans love quick wins. Lotto tickets, day trading, crypto flips. Every time you do that, you break the compounding cycle. Don't trade decades of growth for a dopamine hit. Money decisions aren't made in spreadsheets, they're made in our hearts. Fear and greed sneak in when markets move, making us panic sell or chase quick wins. But the truth is, emotions destroy compounding faster than any bad investment ever could. The solution isn't to eliminate emotion, it's to master it. Emotional discipline means feeling fear but staying calm, feeling greed but choosing patience. The smartest investors aren't robots. They're humans who train their emotions to serve their goals. Over 20 years, investors who miss just the 10 best market days earn half as much. That means patience and calm literally double your returns. When everyone else panics, staying invested is your superpower, the quiet way to win. The rich don't react to markets, they wait. The real edge isn't luck or knowledge, but emotional endurance. You don't need to outsmart the market, you just need to outlast your emotions. Most people quit right before compounding gets exciting. The first few years feel slow, like nothing's happening. But behind the scenes, your growth is building invisible momentum just waiting to explode. The truth is, compounding feels boring before it feels magical. You water, you wait, you doubt, but that's exactly when the roots are forming. The real growth is happening where you can't see it yet. Most people stop after just a few years, right before the curve takes off. They never see the part where growth compounds on itself, where everything finally starts working in your favor. Think of it like planting a tree. It looks lifeless for years, then one day you sit under its shade for the rest of your life. That's the reward of patience. Compounding doesn't test your math, it tests your belief. We often think compounding is only about money, but it's not. Every small habit, every tiny effort, every single day adds up. Over time, these invisible actions shape who we become far more than we realize. Think about it. If you just get 1% better each day, you'll be 37 times better by the end of the year. That's not luck, that's math. And it applies to your mindset, skills, and even your relationships. Imagine if you compounded your confidence, your discipline, your knowledge, not just your savings. You'd be unstoppable. It's like watching your future self grow stronger every day, quietly but surely. Most people chase one-time motivation, the quick fix, the viral moment, but that's not how growth works. Real transformation happens quietly, day by day, as you keep showing up even when nobody's watching. Compounding isn't just about growing your money, it's about buying back your time. Every dollar you invest is like planting a seed that grows into freedom. The more those seeds grow, the less you have to chase paychecks. Financial freedom isn't about owning mansions or yachts, it's about not needing permission to live your day your way. When your investments cover your essentials, you've unlocked true independence. That's the quiet wealth most people overlook. Imagine waking up and choosing what your morning looks like, not because you have to, but because you want to. Your money works quietly in the background while you live life on your terms. That's the real return compounding gives you, peace of mind. The system wants you to keep trading time for money forever, but compounding breaks that cycle. Every smart decision today is a step toward freedom tomorrow. The real goal isn't just wealth, it's control over your life. Compounding isn't math, it's mindset. Time is your ally. Consistency beats intensity. Patience builds freedom. You don't need to outsmart Wall Street, you just need to stay in the game long enough to let compounding work for you. If this video helped you see compounding in a new light, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who keeps saying they'll start investing later. What's one small habit you're going to compound starting today? Tell me in the comments. Let's build this conversation together. This is Ethan from Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth. One book at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.